Hey guys, this is Michaela at Cold Creek Nurseries in Aiken, South Carolina. But again, I'm not in Aiken this week. I'm actually at Edisto Island. So Sharon and I hooked up and we're going to run around and show you some pictures of some plants that will do really well in hot conditions, in a variety of conditions, including being salt tolerant as well. And what I'm in front of here is a nice hedge of rosemary. Rosemary is an evergreen plant and it can take hot, dry conditions. Not only is it great for your hedges and for centerpieces in your containers, but it's also great for cooking. Put this on some pork and just, oh, amazing smell, amazing smell. Also, the smell helps to deter deer. Obviously, they don't like things that are very heavily scented, and so they're not going to like this. This rosemary will bloom a couple of times a year. It's just a fantastic plant to make a hedge out of and add to your landscape.